Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about, can you tell if someone turned off Facebook notifications? Well, unfortunately, you cannot directly tell if someone has turned off their Facebook notification, as Facebook keeps this setting completely private for privacy reasons. However, you can deduce it by observing how they interact with your messages, as this behavior overlaps with the user who have muted chats or turned their notifications off. So if there is a hollow circle with a single check mark, which means the message was successfully sent to the server but hasn't been delivered to the person's device, this can happen if notifications are disabled or their phone is off. You can also go ahead and look for a filled in circle with a check mark indicator. The message has been delivered to their device, but it remains unopened. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below.